Hello students, welcome to K3S Education. In this video, I will just going to explain you a new update from the Central Government of India related to the NRA, National Recruitment Agency, and the CET Common Entrance Test. In previous video, I have explained you what is the government official notification related to that NRA and CET. Today, I will just going to explain you more about these notification and what are the main points that is to be in this NRA and CET. So let us cover one by one. First one is that what will the NRA do? This NRA is a national recruitment agency that will be available for the students to conduct a common entrance test, that is a CET, for mainly for the only three organizations, that is IBPS, RRB and SSC. Government is going to spend a amount of rupees 1517.57 crore rupees in the coming 3 years to conduct these type of examination. For this CET will be presently for the group B and C post, that is a non-technical post. If anyone is going to apply for these B and C group post, then this CET will be applicable for that post. This CET will be as per your education level, means there will be separate test for the 10th class 10th pass students and separate test for 12th class as well as the graduation level students. The main other thing is that before this, each and every test was available on mainly two languages, that is English and Hindi. But now onwards, this CET will be available in 12 different languages. So students have more options to cover their exams in 12 different languages. Next point is that where will the CET be conducted for the candidate? As per the government notification, government is going to establish a examination center in each and every district throughout the nation, so that students have no issue while going to their examination center, and they have to pay less, and there will be less burden while going to attend their examination. Third point is that what will be the duration of that CET score validation? This CET score will be valid up to 3 years after the declaration of the student result. So when the result will be declared, the student have also the option to improve their marks in the next coming CET exam. This CET exam will be held twice in a year. So student have the option to improve their marks if they want to improve. Next point is that who will access the CET score? Presently, as per the government notification, mainly three agencies, that is RRB, IBPS and SSC, are only available to conduct the exam using this CET score. But now onwards, in the coming time, more agencies are going to use that CET exam, as well as state government also going to adopt this CET examination. So this is all about the NRA and CET in this video. If you are having any query or any question related to that NRA and CET examination, please comment, please write up in the comment section so that we can solve your queries and questions. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.